Kailash Chaudhary, creating a legacy in Indian politics. Kailash Chaudhary has fast become an influential politician on the national stage. Currently, a member of the 17th Lok Sabha from Badmer, the largest constituency in Rajasthan, and the Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. His journey so far has been remarkable and inspiring. Born in 1973 in Baitu Tehsil, Rajasthan, Kailash ji has shown glimpses of immense leadership potential from a very young age. One particular incident stands out clearly in the minds of all that admire him. As a student of class 12, Kailash ji was concerned about the lack of educational facilities available to his people in Badmer. This pushed him to take action, and he gathered about 50 of his fellow students and led them to Jaipur to meet with the then Chief Minister Shri Bhairav Singh Shekhawat himself. During this meeting, he raised his request of opening a new college in Balotara, Badmer. His appeal to the Chief Minister was so powerful that within 11 days of this meeting, the government passed the proposal for building a college. That college today is known as the Moolchand Bhagwan Das Government PG College, an impressive legacy indeed. As someone who values good education, Kailash ji first made sure he completed his MA from Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati University, and only then did he jump into the political arena full-time. His dedication to his people was clear from the start. Another incident comes to mind. It was 2006 and Badmer district suffered from flash floods, the worst they had seen in over 200 years, with several lives lost and several more living in uncertainty. Kailash ji and his team worked tirelessly to package 6,000 food packets for distribution to the needy. He was so focused on serving his people that he even stood up to the then UPA chief Sonia Gandhi, got into a tussle with the police and suffered jail time, all because he wanted to bring relief to those who were suffering without any delays. He has also led several dharnas with the intention to bring justice to his people, ensure job security and more. It is no wonder then that his first major campaign in 2013 saw a double win for him, as he was appointed the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party Kisan Morcha in Rajasthan, and he also won the MLA seat from his hometown Baitu. These incredible wins only came after he has won the confidence of the people in his constituency. But the biggest win was yet to come. It can be said that through this journey, Kailash ji was being primed to contest one of the toughest elections his home state of Rajasthan would ever witness. It was 2019 and his constituency was preparing to elect their representative in the 17th Lok Sabha. Shri Kailash Chaudhary was contesting against some well-known names that were expected to win. But the results made headlines all over the country, as Kailash ji won by over 3 lakh votes. As he celebrated this win as a Lok Sabha MP, he was invited to join Prime Minister Modi's Cabinet of Ministers. He was sworn in as a Minister of State in the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, a truly incredible honor for a first-time Member of Parliament. Over the years, Kailash ji has remained focused on his campaign for national security and defense preparedness as a representative of a border constituency. He has also had a special interest in ensuring that security and progress go hand in hand. His programs have included furthering education, bringing in investments, and also keeping the connections with NRIs strong in order to achieve development goals that much faster. As a young politician who has achieved such heights in his career already, his name is set to grow on the national political stage. His keen intelligence, respect for education, combined with the overwhelming support that his people give, Kailash ji is on a path to becoming an insightful voice in the world of Indian politics.